Good morning, gamers. I play Week 5 here, so today I'm out on the lake and we're just gonna see what's going on. Quite peaceful today, I would say so myself. I don't really go out to this lake because it's in a town close to my hometown called Plymouth, and so I don't really go out to this lake all that much, but I really do like going out because it's nice and peaceful and it's nice. You can hear the frogs chirping or croaking, whichever you prefer to use. Anyway, we got a lot of rain, so the lake's pretty full, so that's what's happening here. Okay, just to make sure, because I launched it on the concrete pad, and normally you want to get your feet wet, but I didn't really feel like that today, so just want to make sure I didn't puncture a hole. So I'm just going to take you around the lake and show you some stuff, because that's what this video is all about. I'm going to go to one side and then I'm going to turn around and go back to the other side. I'm actually going to head towards the drain. Now, rowing a kayak is actually kind of a full arm workout because you have to deal with the resistance of the water, so it gets you a nice arm workout. So I don't really know what to talk about right now, so I'm just gonna take you around the lake. So sorry if I'm not talking that much, just because I don't really know what to say. You can see it, that little concrete structure, that's the drainage place, or I don't really know what it's called. I can already kind of hear it. It's pretty loud. The sun's coming out, so that's good. Sometimes you just need some time on the lake. It's pretty peaceful. So this kayaking thing is just a precursor to what's to come. So if you don't already know, I'm in Boy Scouts and we go to a summer camp every year. And this year we're going to Colorado, which should be fun on its own. I plan on filming the whitewater raft journey because we planned for that to happen. So that should be really cool. So here's the drainage thing. Alright, here it is. Now let's go to the other side of the lake. And since it's been raining a lot, there's a lot of water, and I noticed like a little divot has been filled up with water, so I'm gonna see if I can try and sail through that. Actually, I'm going to go over here, just because it's a more shaded area. Sorry you have to deal with the sun right now. There's just a more shaded area. It's more quiet and more peaceful. So look at this, a nice peaceful and shaded area of the lake. Really like it over here because it's nice and calm. The trees block the wind so the water isn't as rough. So here we are, near the coast of the other side of the lake. And then the other side of the lake where we're going now, I like to call it the battering trees because there's like some trees sticking out of the water. I don't really know how that happens, like maybe the lake was a forest before it got filled up, I don't know. This lake, I think, is pretty deep. Let me test it. If I could stop, that is. I would test it, but it's hard to stop moving completely in a kayak. Holy crap, that is deep. Never knew how deep this lake was before. I got water all over my shorts. Great. Actually, you can't really see the trees apart from the really tall ones that are just like jutting out of the water when the lake is lower. And it's kind of scary going over the trees when the lake is lower because you just hear like and it's like, whoa, where'd that come from? Because there's ones that are just barely hidden by the water and they scrape the bottom of your boat if you go over them. something blue over there, so once I get back from this tree field, or sunken tree field, I'm gonna go see what that is. Yeah, this lake is like reaching its full capacity because the banks are starting to get flooded over a little bit. Because we've just been having so much rain here recently, which is good because our winter was so dry, but it's getting to be a little too much rain. I think I just saw something pop out of the water over there, like a sea monster. Probably not, but if it is, this might be the last that you hear of me. Or it just could be a big snake. Those are common in lakes like this in Nebraska. Yeah, the tree field is like completely disappeared beneath the waves. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to go to the other end, and there's like this little stream that's flooded over. I'm going to see if I can paddle through it. Yeah, there's this tree stem right there, or a trunk. Oh, there's a bird on that one. It's like a duck. Yeah, there's a duck sitting on that one. That's cool. See what I mean? Nature is so cool. Stuff like that is here, like ducks sitting on the trees. See, look at that. When you're on the water, you see things that you'd never think you'd see. Like that, just ducks flying so close to you. Let me see if I can get closer to the duck. Not to be too loud, or you might spook them. There goes another one. There goes two. Look at that. Hi, duck. Wow. Hi there, dude. How you doing? Hi, dude. Wow. Wait, I'm gonna paddle alongside this guy. Hey, dude. Wait, I think he's starting to paddle faster to get away from me. That's why I just gotta go even faster. Wow, look at this. Yep, he's starting to fly now. But look at that. I was like paddling like right beside him for a little bit. That was cool. That duck was so tame. Like I was just like sitting next to him and it's just like standing there like nothing was wrong. But then he started to fly when I started to paddle faster. Alright, let's get to the other side of this lake. Then I'm going to go back and see what that blue thing was, because I did see like some sort of blue object on the banks. Yeah, I think that might be it, but I'm not sure. Or this just might be one of the banks. There's another bank there. We could have launched our kayak, but I don't really like those. You have to get your feet wet. Learned that taking the kayaking merit badge in Scouts. That's actually how I got this kayak, because it was back in like 2019 when I first started kayaking, because I first kayaked when I took the kayaking merit badge, and then I just go to Dad and said, can we get a kayak when we get back? And he said, sure. We found this one for like 15 bucks at a garage sale, and it works great, so that's a steal. No, that's not the little stream. I don't know where it is, honestly. I saw it coming in, but now I can't find it. Getting kind of close to the weeds and the reeds and stuff like that. I mean, that land isn't too far. Yeah, there's a fallen tree there, so I think I'm getting close to land, but the great thing about a kayak is that it's a low bottom boat, so you can kind of go into shallow areas. Whoa! Ooh, there's a duck feather on that tree. Gotta tread some water to get it going again. Oh yes, here's the little stream, but there is grass poking up, so I think this might be quite shallow. I did almost get stuck in a really shallow area before. But yeah, this is cool. It's like a little stream that you can boat down. I don't think you'd be able to access this normally because it would just be the lake would just be too low to go into. But yeah, this is kind of cool. I feel like a Viking right now because the Vikings, they would have the low bottom boats and they'd be able to go into rivers and then invade cities that way. So it's kind of like what the Vikings had to do. And an aluminum can, how disgraceful. But wow, this is amazing looking. Stuff looks crazy. There's bubbles from some fish. Wait, could I paddle through the tubes? No, that'd be a little risky. I don't want to worry my dad at all because he's here too. He's just fishing. We never catch anything, but hey, it's fun. Wait, I think I might be able to sail through the tubes. Yo, I could totally go farther. It's crazy. Yeah, because I think this grass is just like mangroves and not actually land. Or, I don't know if mangroves is the right word. I don't really know what the right word is for this, but this is kind of cool. Or wait, I think it might be... Yo, I could go through the tubes! Yo! Oh yeah, I think I just felt land. Nope, I didn't. It must have just been a rock. Oh wait, I think it ends at the tubes. There's like a little like dam of sticks. Wow, it's like a nice little runoff of the lake. I could go farther, but I'll have to blast through some brush and some stuff that's accumulated at the hole. So I'm just going to turn around here.